Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make electronic sounds on Power Director. Let's go. This video actually has a thumbnail, so yeah. Okay, first you need to, of course, go into Power Director. I'm using an Amazon tablet, so yeah. And then get your download. Yeah. So it has to be somewhere like free, not HD. It has to be 3.0. I don't know. So it has to be that for it to actually go into Power Director. So yeah, before we do that, I don't know how to get the actual voice. Yeah, I don't know how to get the voice, but I do know how to get the actual effect. So what you want to do is go into color filter, then basic effects, then get B06, and I'm going to watch it so far. I'm just gonna turn the volume on because I don't think it's that loud. Good. That's perfect. Perfect animation. So I don't know how to. I do actually know how to get it, but it costs money, so you need to find an actual way to actually get it on. So this is it so far. I actually may use kineMaster for this. No, I mean Power Director for this sort of thing. So I'm just exporting it. Yeah. Okay, wait for it to export. It exports really long, so you just have to wait. So I'm just waiting. So it's just exporting. It takes a long time, so, and this video is taking a long time as well, so yeah. You can follow another kid's tutorial if you want to learn where you can actually get the auto form, but it costs money and you have to get the pro of the app to actually get the enchanted the electronic sounds. So yeah, I'll leave a link to that video in the description and the site if you want to download MP3s. Okay, so yeah, that's all we've got for the video, guys.